I have something to share with you today. It's more like a progress analysis of our daily series. If you have been watching our videos daily, you might have noticed that from 6th of this month, we have started uploading individual zodiac signs instead of compiling them all in one. By doing so, we have been able to reach and provide value to 4 times more people than we used to reach in a single compilation of all the readings. So I just wanted to share a few analytics with you today. While considering the data for both 6th and 7th of August combined, we see that the Cosmic Tarot Express series is getting an average of 450 plus views every day and roughly about 45 likes on an average per day. While that's an achievement in itself for a new channel like ours, of course it is a reason to celebrate. But at the same time, our channel analytics show that most of you who are watching our videos daily haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you like watching our content and haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. It really motivates us to continue making more of such empowering and inspiring content for you. Now, before we start today's readings, like always, keep in mind that these are timeless readings. So regardless of the day or date that a particular reading might have been posted on our channel, if you feel called upon it or if you are being guided towards it, go ahead and check the message, as you might find a great message for you for the day ahead. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check any video that you come across on our channel anytime. Our Instagram handle is reflecting on your screens. If you're not following us already, go ahead and click the link in the description and follow us right away. If you wish to watch the readings for any other zodiac sign, you will find all the links in the description below. Alright then, I'll see you in the reading. Let's jump into your energies for the day. You might have lately come across some really shrewd people. It might be in your vicinity, it can be your colleagues, it can be your team, it can be your friends. But then you really are in that kind of mindset. You really want to spend that time alone because you want to spend that time and heal yourself. Throughout the day, you might be in that kind of mindset. You are being guided, yet yes, you are wise enough to handle this situation, whatever the situation is. And these petty arguments that you might come across, they also might serve you as a blessing in disguise in the end, okay? You might come across certain things that are just tapping on your mind at the moment, but that would actually serve you in some way. This is what I'm hearing here. You're wise enough to actually get connected to your higher self and get the right answers. You get intuitive messages from the divine, okay? You can trust that. You have been in a very toxic kind of atmosphere, which is what I'm seeing, and you really want to be in that tranquility once again. You want to spend that time healing yourself from that negativity. Somehow you are getting only arguments or petty arguments, or some kind of rough language is being used around you, or maybe you are getting into something like this. But then Spirit is here to guide you that whatever is eating your mind at the moment, you are wise enough to tackle that. I'll read your Archangel blessings for the day. Wow, this is eternal love. So maybe for some of you, it might be related to some relationship that you are facing issues with. But then you can just understand that this is eternal love. Archangel Michael is here to guide you. And for others who are not in that kind of love relationship, it can be for your family, it can be for your friends, or also it can be the love that you receive from God. Have the ancestral wisdom with you. Your ancestors, your guides, your angels are already there with you. So of course, you are being guided that God is there to love you. He loves you eternally. You can just affirm this throughout the day. It might give you some additional blessings throughout the day. It might keep you grounded. Help me perceive all of the love that surrounds me so that I can feel safe receiving, expressing, and giving love. Right? I wish you all the best for the day, Libra. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.